Okay, I think we're ready to go here. So the goal, oh, I've got a huge pour box that I've set up here. Gigantic thing, 30 by 40. Here's my 24 by 24 inch canvas. Got some of my paints on the side. All my paints are mixed with some Floetrol and some water, and most have a little bit of 3-in-1 silicone oil. And I'll probably add a couple more drops to these as we go along. And yeah, the goal again, big sky, and then some nice striations down here for the land. And I'll pull up some trees in there and see what happens. So I know in the sky, I'm gonna do a free pour. I'm gonna need a lot of paint for up here, so I'm gonna start off with a lot of light blue, which is almost a white. And I'm just gonna kind of, oh, and I've still been adding a little bit of silver in these. Just a couple of drops here and there. Okay. And where is my straight up white? This is just some good old white paint I've mixed in here. And I'll be using that again towards the end for clouds. Need a little bit of darker blue. Give that a shake. The sky has still been kind of interesting to me. In the past, I've done some skies that were mostly blue with a little bit of white. And then I think on one of the pours, I ended up doing pretty much all, what was it, all white with just a tad of blue. And you just never know what you're going to get. The idea in my mind anyway is to, is to have a mostly blue sky with the white on top to create the illusion of clouds. So... ooh, I just felt a big chunk going there. I'm sure we will be seeing that again in just a minute or two. I'll pluck it out of there. A little bit of dark blue. Okay. And let's go back to this straight up white. Back and forth. I'm not sure if that's going to be enough or not, but I'm going to chuck this lighter blue right down the middle. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Wow, look in there. That is gorgeous. All right, so again, going to do the straight pour, and then I'll do some tilting as needed, and if I need to add a little more, a little put a drop of gray in here, I mean silver, and if I need to do a little more white to it, I will. Let's do this. Let's add just a couple of drops. Goodness, that's pretty. And, ooh, I've got a little bit on this metallic green, do I dare? Just to swoosh it. 1, 2. All right. Let's get this pour going. Oh, yeah. Gosh, it's so nice working with a big canvas like this. I may need more paint. Yep. I wonder if that would have worked better if I'd put a base coat down. Okay, so let's just get back in here heavy with this white and just kind of see what happens. This is truly a punt right now because I thought I had plenty of paint mixed up. So I'm just putting some more white in. Little hint of this. That's kind of a metallic turquoise. Some more of this nice sky blue. A lot more than I realized. More white. Well, that's finishing up my white paint right there. A couple of drops. We'll see if this won't be enough to fill it in. And a little whoosh. All right, let's see if I get enough. I'm gonna let this stretch down a little bit right now. There's a lot, I'm not sure with this new camera angle, but there's a lot of green in here. Next time, Steve, not so much green, remember that. Okay, I'm gonna tap across here. All right, that's looking pretty good. Remember, if you've got bald spots on the side, you can just take your finger, scoop up some of the drippings, and those are perfect for going over the sides. And while we're doing that, I'm gonna rotate this, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do over here, because I've got a lot of canvas on this side. I'm actually painting with my fingers on that, just to get that consistency of color on there. Oh yeah, that looks good up there. All right, how's that looking now? I think it's pretty. Get a paper towel and think about it for a moment. I may want to put some just pure white across there. I've done that in the past a little bit, and it's kind of broken up and gotten more of a cloudy kind of look to or feel to it. So I've got some white here. This is my Artist Loft white with a little bit of water in here. This is fairly thick. So let me see. Yeah, let's see what happens. I know. Let's see. Definitely thick. From this angle, I can see how the this paint is actually like a ridge up above the other colors because it's so much thicker. But I'm gonna move it around. Maybe I could do this. Oh, that's a nice touch. That's almost cloudy kind of thing going on. I apologize for having to look at the back of my head, but I like that. That looks good. Hang on. Wow, I think that gives it a really much more natural look to it. Man, I'm digging that. Really cool. Okay, remember that next time I want to just glob on some white that can be a little bit thicker and just use my lungs to blow in there and get some cloud shapes. That's definitely getting the cloud thing going on. Just for fun, let's grab a torch and see what's going on up there. And this is my little bitty torch. Let me go get my full-size torch. Here we go. Got the old creme brulee torch here. See if we get any crazy cells popping up. Right now, I'm really not. But gosh, that sky is just blending together so smooth and pretty. If it wasn't such a pretty sky, I would be disappointed that there weren't more cells popping up in here. But these colors are gorgeous and really convincing as a big pretty sky. I'm gonna torch a little bit more, then we'll peel off that blue tape. Yeah, okay, I think that's looking fantastic. All right, set this to the side. And, oh, another little trick I did, I don't know if it'll come in handy or not, but you know I'm always trying new things and trying to tweak and do things better. So in the past it's been kind of tricky to remember where my horizon line was, especially once the paint covered everything. So I put 2 push pins on the side, so if I needed to I can line that up and I'll know where my horizon line is, and it looks like I'm probably gonna need those. Oh, that sky is pretty. Again, I'm not sure that the tape on here, well, this time it seems to be holding that other paint off pretty well. In the past, it's usually just kind of filled right in as soon as I was done, but that's nice. All right, we've got that beautiful sky going on that I'm still really psyched about. Let's get some color. Let's do the my little kind of puddle and stripe, and I've got some paper towels here, and I will grab my spritzer of water, and that's what I'll be using for my swiping tool, and we will puddle and swipe. All right, I'm not going to overthink this. Got a nice green here. This is, I think, Christmas green by Apple Barrel. All right, got to add a little more of this turquoise in here that's so pretty, especially down in here. Got a couple of bald spots in there I need to put something in. I wonder if I could put some of that white in there. Oh, I forgot about this. I got this pretty green too. Oh yeah, we're gonna be fine. Okay. Yeah, just get it all in there. You know what? I'm digging on this purple some more. Where did it go? Right here. I'm going to drizzle some of this, a little more of this in here. I just think that has potential to be really cool. All right. I'm going to touch up a little bit, close some of these bald spots. Not overthinking it, just closing it up. And I'll be doing my swipe. Okay. I'm definitely going to be adding that horizon line in a little while. But wow, already, look how cool that looks, just like that. Nice. Move this out of the way. And if you hear some noise in the background, apparently my dog is thirsty. Yeah, let's swipe this bad boy. All right, just got a paper towel. And yeah, I'll probably do 2 swipes at it. And paper towel, spritz with some water. The water on the paper towel gives it a nice little bit of weight. And move it away here. Let's see, I'm going to start up top. Trying to pull right along that horizon line. Oh, that's nice. Very nice. Okay, gonna come back across here. Hopefully not too much weight on there. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Look at that. That's pretty. All right, let me hit that with a torch. I think all sorts of crazy stuff's gonna happen. These cells are just exploding in here. Oh yeah. Pretty. Really pretty. My only concern, and it's funny how you kind of, if I'd gotten this, 3 paintings ago, I would have been totally thrilled with it, but you kind of keep raising the bar. I'm thinking I might need a little area with some darker green across there, so I may end up doing one more swipe on there, but I'm going to hold off for right now and just see what, it may do some cool stuff just on its own while we're working in here. Gosh, that's pretty. And I'm going to do, let's go with this darker purple again across here. And I've got some paint brushes over here in case I need it. And I'm just gonna go right across. Oh, sorry, leaning over. I'm just literally just drawing a line with a craft stick. Right through there. To play with trees or not to play with trees? I'm thinking, yeah. Let's pull some up. Let's just see. Do I have, what if I just pulled this up right here? I don't know if that's working or not. This is that fan brush I've tried before with just marginal success. My idea is going to put the green on here and then come back and spread it out, or pull it out. What happens if I just drag? I'm gonna get a palette knife, maybe? No, I'm just gonna use my purple stick again. Just gonna pull up through there. It's okay. I'm gonna do one more line, and then we may just call it quits with this thing, because this is pretty. There's my line right there. Going back across, gonna do that again, dipping my craft stick in some dark purple. Okay. Wowzers. Okay. I'm gonna tap that a little bit. So let's hit this. I think I'm about done. I'll come back and touch up these edges a little bit. In the bottom there's a mess, so I'll touch that up. But right now, I'm pretty happy with this. Off camera later, I may go back and darken that a little bit of darker shadows in there. Otherwise though, what's not to like about this? This is beautiful. All right, let me hit it with this torch, see if the trees change at all. And a little bit, not tons. I will probably come back and work those just a little bit more. Meanwhile, wow, that is the biggest poured landscape I have done yet, and I like it. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video, and feel free to leave a comment down below, and if you enjoyed it, you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And pretty much all of my paintings are going to be for sale at my Etsy store, so if you go to etsy.com and type in Art by Steve Shaw, and it's all one word, yeah, you'll find my stuff there. Thanks for watching. Bye.